Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve this fraction. So here I am going to tell you a trick that you can find this type of fraction within seconds. So before solving this, I am taking an example and show you the trick. Suppose you have given the whole number like this, 3 whole 1 by 2 whole square. So what you have to do, always take the whole number and multiply with the next number. So 3 times 4 is 12. And the square of 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Or you can write this 3 whole 1 by 2 as 3.5. So what's the square of 3.5? That is 12.25. So when it comes in fraction, you can write the answer 12 whole 1 by 4, or when they want the answer in decimal, you can write the answer in 12.25. So let's take another example. Suppose they ask you the answer of 7 whole 1 by 2 whole square. So what you have to do, just multiply with the next number. 7 times 8 is 56 and 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. Or you can write this 7 whole 1 by 2 as 7.5 square, and you can write it as 56.25. Now comes to our question. So what we have to do, 99 is given. So what is the next number after 99? That is 100. So 99 times 100 is 9,900, and the square of 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Or you can write it as 9,900.25. That's how you can solve this and find your answer. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.